Hey, welcome back to our channel. In this video I will show you how to find lists on X. So first of all, let me show you how to find your lists, either it's created or followed list. So let's tap my profile picture in the top left corner of my screen, and I want to find lists section. And here, this is the page where you can manage the list that you have created and the public ones that you are subscribed to. So here under the tab Your Lists, I can see my created list, my own list, and also the list that I'm subscribed to. Also, you can find lists, public lists that are created by others, from first of all from user's profile, and the second in your lists section. So first of all, in your list section, let me go back to my lists page. You can see here Discover New Lists section, where it suggests popular public lists that are, let's say, based on your interests. Also, you can expand it by tapping Show More button. Okay, so there is some kind of problem. Here are my lists that X application suggests me. And also, let me show you how to find public lists from user's profile. You want to go to the profile of user that you're interested in. Let me use this searching section in the at the bottom side of my screen, and let me search, for example, for Elon Musk, and then on their profile I want to tap three-dot button in the top right corner of my screen and find option that's called View Lists, and you will see all the public lists that they have created or any they have subscribed to. So let's tap on this list. That's official list of Elon Musk. And also I can subscribe to it by tapping this follow button. And also I can pin it or unpin from my lists section. Yes, and let me go back to my lists page. And also you can find lists that you have been added to. So if you tap three-dot button in the top right corner of the screen on your lists page and select lists you're on, you will see here all lists that you have been added to. So they are public, and when someone adds to your list, your account to their list, you will see those lists in this page, on the page lists you're on. So that were the three main ways how you can find lists on X, and I really hope that you find this video helpful, and if so, please like this video and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.